In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to conduct an ANOVA test in Google Sheets. ANOVA, or analysis of variance, is a great way to compare the means of 3 or more groups and see if at least one group is significantly different from the others. To get started, open your Google Sheets spreadsheet that contains the data you want to analyze. First, we need the tool that runs ANOVA inside Google Sheets. Go to the menu at the top and choose Extensions, then Add-ons, and click Get Add-ons. In the search bar, type Excel Minor Analysis Toolpack. Find the add-on and install it. During installation, you'll see some permission prompts. Go ahead and grant those, so the add-on can work in your sheet. This add-on brings a set of statistical tools similar to what you might have seen in desktop spreadsheet software. Before running the test, prepare your data so the tool can read it correctly. Organize your data into columns, where each column represents one group you want to compare. Put a clear label for each group in the first row. Make sure the cells underneath contain only numeric values and avoid blank rows within your data blocks. Equal sample sizes across groups are not required, but consistent formatting helps prevent errors and makes the results easier to interpret. Now you are ready to run the ANOVA. Go back to Extensions. Choose Excel Minor Analysis Toolpack and click Start. A sidebar will open on the right. From the list of analyses, select ANOVA, Single Factor, which is designed for comparing means across multiple groups defined by a single categorical factor. For the input range, highlight your entire dataset, including the header labels in the first row. Under Grouped By, select Columns. Since each column represents a different group, check the box for labels in first row if you included those headers. Leave alpha at 0.05 unless you have a specific reason to use a different threshold. Alpha represents your tolerance for a type I error at 0.05. You are allowing a 5% chance of concluding T. Here is a difference when there isn't. For output range, click an empty cell where you want the results to appear, so they don't overwrite your data. Then click OK. You'll see two main sections in the output. The summary table shows the count, sum, and mean for each group. The ANOVA table lists between groups and within group statistics, along with the F value and the P value. Compare the P value to your alpha. If P is less than alpha, you can reject the idea that all group means are equal. If P is greater, you don't have enough evidence to say the means differ. Keep in mind ANOVA assumes independent observations, roughly normal group distributions, and similar variances. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.